Okay, good morning, guys.
You were facing the bridge, ba?
Yes. So it's me from the library of David and John, and I have we have here right in front of me Yukatsu Motomura. Here's the restaurant we will eat for our breakfast. So ano to? Stone grilled stuff. And here's the bridge na sikat. Oh, di have ano din, no?
Kasi doon, hindi na tayo nakakahanap. So, it's better.
Sa view? View naman. Mayroong mas naka-view dun. Pero, okay na rin.
Okay. You need to order mo. Ang sabi nila,
Okay, so here is the setup. Merong apat na heating plates dito na stone. Then they give you the set meal.
thank you.
Just you have free tea, salt, and yeah. Okay, so ito, we have to sear each side by 14 seconds. We have miso soup dito. And this one for the rice yan. This yam, this is I forgot, warabi mochi. Yung pickled seaweed. Itong sauce for the steak, wasabi, salad. You can refill this once. Okay, so that's the aerial view of the bridge. So, doon kami kumain sa likod ng building. And we're crossing the street to go to the Warabi Mochi, or like mochi place in general. So yeah, ano kung mabad? Hybrid. Yung maliit na yun? I-power yun? Here we go, guys. Going on to the shrine. Let's go. And you want? Hey. Here we go, guys. Religious activity. Ito tayo, guys. Sikat na temple. Nakapag-pray. Tapos bibili ka ng mga pang fortune telling, pati mga good luck charm. Yan, ito lahat yan. Pati pag-visit ako sa shrine to pay respects. Sabi nila, yun, syempre, for good fortune, good health, long life. Kuya Justin sang hanap. Oh man. Grabe. Banat tayo, shave ice. Ay, banat na. Shave ice. Shave ice yan. Sarap yan.
Init na ito. Yan yung pupuntahan natin.
Ito ba yun?
Papa, yan ang pupuntahan natin.
Ano yan ang pupuntahan natin?
Yan ang kainan na ganyan ang pupuntahan.
Akala ko dito na. Let's go, guys. So guys, yung itsura ng temple sa malayo. Lipat tayo ng lugar. Let's go. Okay, guys. Let's go. Nakapag-taxi na. Doon tayo ngayon sa ating kakainan. Okay, guys. Ayan, shape ice. Ayan. Let's go.
Banana. Bakit wala dito sa side?
Yung kita eh. Okay guys, so we are here sa Taimaru Mall. And we're here at the basement 1 kung saan naka-locate yung mga pagkain, as you can see from my surroundings. But wala yung nanay ko. Pagkali ko ng corner na wala na agad. So nag-shopping na kami sa... Hindi mo shopping, pero bumili na ng wallet pati ng fan. Yun na naman yung binili. Like ginawa. So yun ako nag-vlog. It's gonna take a long time, but oh, should be mini crepe. Mini ones. Sarap yan. Gusto ko yan. Yun. So they have desserts, groceries, ulam din. So yeah. Ito yung sabi ko sa huli kong vlog sa Japan. Ito yung kinakatakutan ko mga area. Kasi lahat ito masarap. And ito yung brand na naharap-harap ko palagi ito yun sa groceries. Saison Factory. And this one, pinakamasarap na strawberry jam na natigman ko. So that's apparently 1,620. Like super tart pa rin niya. Para sa jam. So ito yuzu. Parang gusto ko yung pack niya. 3.5. Ito yung mga normal ones nila na nabibili sa mga supermarket. Pero ito sa pop-up store na to, na specific sa nila. Ito. Kumuli kami ng dalawa niyan. Tapos meron pa sila mga drinks dun sa kabilang side. Drinks, condiments, oh. Ay, like dito ko gustong gumastos. Ayun, drink. Okay, so this area is more of the savory section. Tapos, yan. Dapat nasa harapan na namin ang fruit section. Ang hinaharap mo palagi, pag fruit section ako is Yaki Imo.
Ito lang ito. 1,018 tatlong pieces. 350 lang.
Baliw. May Yaki Imo kaya sila dito?
Pa. 7,000. 10,000.
The grapes for 8.6. The plum. Peras. Peach. Peach. Okay, so we've been walking for a bit. A bit is like 20 minutes since we left the mall. Kasi sasarado na sila ng 8. So yun, may pupuntahan kaming Michelin na ramen restaurant, or it used to have one, pero ngayon wala na. So check the weather, it's currently 33. Oh man, so humid, parang hindi na umulan sa Pilipinas. Okay, we are done with not ABC Mart, Adidas. Nag-Adidas na lang sila. Ako napunta ko sa ABC Mart, pero I asked for a shoe, yung 550 sa New Balance, pero I've been sitting there for like 10 minutes. Sabi nila ako, pinalimutan na niya ako siguro. Okay, kasi pasarado naman sila, so you know. Yun, punta sila sa Adidas, sabi ko, fine, hindi na ako maghanap, like ano lang. Pero Adidas, bumili sila sapatos. So you know, sa harapan ko, yun, may Adidas bag si Daddy.
Style tipan nyo yun.
Yeah, now we are going home to this shopping... Shopping arcade? Ano na tawag dito? shopping arcade, Simon? This shopping district na to, yung covered. We've been here nung January kasi we just passed by the Ninja. Yung Ninja experience namin nung January. So, ito pala yun. Tapos ito, if you go to the right, siyempre ano yun eh, salasalaban naman yung kalsada yun. So, yung, like, ano siya, grid type to. Yung sa map. Pero bibili ng kutsilyo. Pero kutsilyo na ako. So, boring life. Ay, hindi. So here's our food. I have salt grilled mackerel, Kuya Bax has grilled salmon, tapos ayun ay grilled squid dito sa harap, and snow crab tempura with a soup. So guys, this here, everything price na lang kailangan, isa na lang, pero it's really good. Let's go. 12:08 and we just kakapasok na namin sa hotel. Tumamay kami sa baba. We just ate the fruits that we bought earlier, then yung pinasabag ko eh. Tapos ano yung sasabihin ko? Yung fruits na binili namin, then yung free ice cream. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. It has been me, John, and David. Iba ka na transition. See you tomorrow. God bless. Stay safe. Bye.